All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this video is all about what is the moon's significance in Vedic astrology. Let me tell you, moon plays a major role in Vedic astrology. Why? Because moon, the number associated with planet moon is number two. All right. So the placement of moon plays a major role. Why? Because moon represents your mindset. Moon represents changes. Moon represents blames. Moon represents misunderstandings. Moon represents the way you think, the way you understand yourself, as well as the way you understand others. Whether you'll be jovial and what kind of attitude that you possess. All these things, all the psychological attributes of the person can be seen from the placement of planet moon in the birth chart. If the moon is very stronger in the birth chart, this person becomes super famous in female crowd, and he will be getting a lot of support from the female. Why? Because moon represents feminine. Moon represents feminine nature. All right, and that's the reason he'll be getting a lot of support from the female figures. Maybe from his mother becomes a super important person, super role model in his life. Why? Because moon represents mother in the birth chart. Okay, the placement of moon in the birth chart, we can able to see the relationship with the mother and also the health of mother as well. Okay, and moon represents changes, moon represents blames, moon represents misunderstandings, and the positive attributes of moon are basically moon. The people with strong moon, they emerge as a great writers because they have very good thinking capacity and they excel well in the research and development areas of the professions. And obviously they becomes a great researchers, philosophers, and also educationists, and also they'll be working as a director, as a positions of managing director or CEO of a company, and also they can emerge as great doctors, engineers, and also great consultants, and also great medical professions as well. Moon represents medical field as well. Okay, and the people with strong moon also can become a great lawyers and judges as well, great surgeons, okay, great scientists. Okay, anything to do with mindset, anything to do, any profession with to do with the mindset. Of course, any profession for that matter, mindset is required. But what I'm talking about here is basically from the research point of view. All right, from the research point of view, this person will be excelling very well. And people with strong mood, there will not be shortage of money, and they love traveling, and also they love literature, they love arts and music, and they are very humorous in nature as well. They can make the environment to be more filled with humor and also filled with entertainment. All right, you might have seen some people, wherever they are, they'll be cracking full of jokes, and they'll be having good sense of humor, and they can able to think beyond. They can think out of the box. All right, a great researchers comes from this placement. And let's say if the same moon is afflicted, then this makes the person not so sympathetic and very cruel in nature, very cunning in nature, and also he'll be having dual mindset. For example, he will be behaving something in front of you, and actually his nature is something else. So such kind of personalities, we might this person might emerge if at all the planet moon is weaker in the birth chart. And also this person will be facing extreme poverty in the life if at all moon is afflicted in the second or 11th. And also moon is weekly placed in the 12th house. This brings a lot of losses and liabilities, and even if you go to foreign countries, you will not be able to excel well. Why? Because moon is the karaka for foreign travels. Okay, so if moon is stronger, then this person excel very well in the foreign countries. Otherwise, he might go to foreign countries, but he will not be surviving or settling in the foreign countries. Okay, and the weaker moon makes the person very too much unstable. He will be having very mental what to say instability. Okay, he will not be able to think properly. He will be always dependent upon somebody, and also a lot of people do cheat this person. Why? Because moon represents changes, blames, and misunderstandings, as I mentioned to you. So people with weaker moon has to be very careful in terms of managing their money, or in terms of doing the business partnerships as well. Okay, and also this placement makes the person very unreliable, sorry, and shifty, wandering, and also moody in nature. And these people will be lacking any purpose or a mission or vision in their life. So that's why people with weaker moon, I always suggest them to do meditation, because if they do meditation, they can able to get control of their mindset, and they'll become very calm and composed in nature as well. All right, and they can fill the environment with that positive vibes. all right? So which is very important for all the people who have weaker moon in their birth chart. And this is what I want to tell you in this video. This is a short bite video of 5 minutes on moon significance. I think I made similar video in my YouTube channel. At least couple of months back. Do browse that video as well. Moon significance in Vedic astrology, the same title. You can check that video also. I've spoke nearly 20 significators of planet moon. Okay, but I would like to tell you what happens when the moon is stronger and what happens if the moon is weaker. All right. So this video is objective is all about that. All right. So I hope you got some information from this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart, and it will enable me to check your birth chart at least for 2 to 3 hours, and then I can provide you the final prediction. Alright, so thank you so much, and stay tuned for more videos, and do let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, so that I know that you're following my videos. And do let me know in the comment section what are the topics that you want me to make videos upon in this YouTube channel. In fact, I have made so many videos related to the different planets and planetary transits and wealth astrology, career astrology, business astrology. A lot many areas I have touched in this YouTube channel. So do check those videos also. I'm sure you'll be able to get benefit out of my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for accessing this video until to the end. And I'm sure you loved this video, and let me know that like symbol and let me know that love symbol, and let me know in the comment section and express your feeling, thoughts and emotions under this video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and bye for now.